In the pursuit of vertical integration and the race from Intel's complacency, Apple released the M1 Pro and the M1 Max system on a chip as a capable replacement for Intel's processors on their Mac lineup. These chips are so powerful and power efficient that they make the latest lineup of the MacBook Pro vetted beasts, yet beautiful. The latest M1 powered MacBook Pro lineup has seen Apple praised as a stellar pace setter in CPU and GPU implementation. Starting at $2,000 for the base model of the 14-inch MacBook Pro, you can go all the way to the M1 Max. Hello, my name is Wilfred, and this is the unboxing and first impression of the MacBook Pro 14-inch M1 Pro. I'm excited about the MacBook Pro and the lineup itself entirely because they are here to ball and compete with the absolute best out there. My unit arrived in a brown box with the retail packaging for the MacBook Pro 14. Taking that aside, you are greeted with the white box. So let's tear this open. I am genuinely excited about this device. Apple has returned to its previous design philosophy for the MacBook Pro, and that's packing a lot of power under the hood. But now, more than ever, the first thing you notice after opening the device is the thickness. It's relatively thick when compared to the previous models, and weighty as well. For me, it's justifiable for these revamped Pro devices. Once you open the lid, which you can do with one hand, you see that this MacBook is well put together. So let's peel off this white material from the screen and set up the device. Damn, the screen looks lovely and far brighter than the previous model. This screen is a liquid Retina XDR, and it's the best display ever on a MacBook product. It's HDR capable and gets pretty bright. It's a perfect screen for HDR color grading, photography, and print production. With more savor, it supports up to a 120Hz refresh rate. Apple tags this as promotion since it's adaptive technology, and I think this is really good for this sort of device that is marketed as a pro device. You see, the screen has a notch now, and I really don't know if this is a joke for Apple. I don't really get it. I don't know what to say, whether the new 1080p camera located within the notch was worth a notch in itself. The screen is gorgeous, and the body to screen ratio is stunning. It feels like an infinity display, and it's nice seeing that lots of the bezels are chiseled out. It's 14.2-inch display resolution of 3204 by 1964, which is exactly 254 ppi high density. That's great because this screen is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. You need to see it in person, really. It's gorgeous. So quickly, let's talk ports and connectivity. Apple previous MagSafe charging is back. On the left, there is a MagSafe 3 ports. I'm happy to see this is back. And that reminds me, there is a MagSafe cord that connects to USB-C in the retail box. That's all you get in the box, with an adapter capable of juicing up the battery of the Pro 14 at 67 watts. There are 2 USB-C ports capable of Thunderbolt 4 and a headphone jack that supports high impedance. On the other hand, it's an HDMI port, another USB-C with Thunderbolt 4, and an SDXC card reader. This is a great addition for those who shoot videos and work with external cards. The MacBook Pro 14 has connectivity well covered, and that's how Pro devices should be. Seriously. Moving on to the deck of the device, I'm happy to see that the touch bar has been dished as well. And this keyboard looks and feels amazing and non-shallow. It has a fingerprint sensor for logins and approval of extra security conscious functionalities. The trackpad is huge as ever, and that's a great thing. It feels clicky with its haptic feedback and mechanism. It feels really natural. There are 6 speakers on board. Yes, 6 speakers. My first impression about this speaker is that it's the best sounding system on any laptop out there. Period. There's no laptop that match the sound on this laptop here. It's only bested by the MacBook Pro 16. This model is powered by the M1 Pro chip, and this is the main reason why the new MacBook Pros are a beast and battery champ. The base model has a 512GB storage, a 16GB unified memory. The M1 Pro chip here is the 8-core CPU and 14-core GPU variant, also with a 16-core neural engine for machine learning and AI tasks. It has a dedicated encode and decode engine. You can bump it up to a 10-core CPU and 60-core GPU, or better still, get the M1 Max system on a chip with a 10-core CPU and a whooping 32-core GPU. These numbers are monstrous, making the MacBook Pro very super efficient, yet stunningly in the stars regarding computation, graphics, and raw single-core and multi-core performance. Apple rates the battery at 70 hours for video playback with some settings activated, and up to 11 hours for wireless browsing. I'll be spending quality time with the MacBook Pro 14 to see how it holds up and fits into my day-to-day professional lifestyle. I've never been this excited in a long time for the MacBooks, and it's all thanks to the M1 Pro system on a chip, macOS Monterey, the stunning display, and well put together vertical integration. I'll dig deep into this honky piece of tech, surely. And that has been the unboxing and impressions of the MacBook Pro 14. Hit the like button, kindly subscribe and drop a comment about what you'd like to test out or what you think generally about this piece of device. Thanks, and that's all for today. Stay awesome. Wilfred, I'm out.